why don't you introduce yourself?
My goodness. My name is Jessica. I am the infamous Jessica, if anyone remembers me from, what episode was it?
Episode 7.
Yeah, I've made an appearance because I've got stories to tell. I need to clear the air on some things.
Before I tell the infamous thing that I just left, you know what exactly.
I know exactly where this is going.
But what was your first impression about it?
So, I thought you were crazy. Like, I definitely thought you were insane. Well, because you come on socially, like, you come on strong and you ask questions and you just, like, are excited to meet new people. Yeah. But it came across as a lot.
No, that's fair. That is fair. I remember this so vividly because literally before me and my friend, who you were kind of seeing at the time, dropped you off, you described me as a walking red flag.
I did. I'm still sorry. I still apologize. I was just talking out my ass.
No, the funniest thing is, you were like, yeah, man, like, you're kind of a walking red flag. And I remember my reply was, you know what? You don't even know this yet, but